Hello guys, if you want to take a break from your social journey, you want to deactivate your Instagram account, you are at the right place. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your Instagram account easily. My name is Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. Let's jump into the video. For deactivating Instagram account, first you have to open your Instagram. Then click on the profile icon on the side. Then you have to click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then you have to click on setting and privacy. Here you have to click on account center. Then scroll down, click on personal details. Here you have to click on account ownership and control. Here you have to click on deactivation or deletion button. Here you have to click on your account. After this, you have to select deactivate account option. After selecting this, click on continue. Then enter your password to verify yourself. After entering your password, click on continue. Then select a reason why you are deactivating your Instagram account. I am selecting due to my study, so I will click on too busy to distracting and then click on continue. And then click on continue again. Then click on deactivate account. As you can see, that Instagram account has been deactivated. If this video helped you, you can watch this playlist about Instagram. It will help you a lot. That's it for today's video. It's me, Iqbal, signing out.